Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing this sleek ponytail. This is the most requested video. If you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So the things you're gonna need is the teasing comb, paddle brush, you're gonna need some hair mousse, some hairspray, you're gonna need some hair serum, a tail comb, the hair tie, and some bobby pins. First I'm going to brush my hair. Make sure there is no knot or tangle. Who have curly or wavy hair and want the sleek ponytail, iron your hair first, then go through the steps. Otherwise you won't be able to get the look you're looking for. My hair is naturally straight, so I really don't need to iron it. Now get some mousse and get throughout all your hair. Take your comb, part your hair right down the middle, comb it through, and just pretend that you're making the ponytail. Smooth everything out with your teasing brush. So just play around until you get a nice finished look. Use your brush or comb back and forth if you really need it. Now take your hairband and make a ponytail. Now I'm taking this hair serum, just about a pump, and going all over my hair. This serum gives you an extra shine and also keeps your flyaway in place. Now comb back and make sure it looks nice and neat. I'm taking a hair strand and going around my ponytail. And secure it with the bobby pins. Also I'm combing my ponytail. Make sure there is no knot. And I'm going to finish off with some hairspray. And that's it. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.